In this video, you are going to see how to put video inside the text in Premiere Pro. The beauty part here is you don't need any external plugins or effects. All we are using is inbuilt features. So let's start. Alright, I added a clip of the video to the timeline. Now we need to type the text. Now double click on it so that the properties panel will be opened. If in case any of the panels you are not unable to see, simply hover to the window section. From here you can enable or disable it. So double click on the text layer so that the properties panel will be opened. Click on the text and I'm just adding the fill to this and increasing the size as well. Next I'm aligning it to fit perfectly horizontally and vertically. Now this is step 1 we completed. Now we are going to apply one effect called track matte key. For this, go to effects panel and search for track matte and apply this to the video layer. I mean whatever the video you want to show inside the text, that layer you need to apply. So I applied to the video layer. Now go to the effects panel. Now before that, what I want to do is move the text to the one layer above that. I'll tell you why it is. After that, select the video layer, scroll down and under the track matte key, select the video layer number. This is at video number 3, so I'm selecting the video 3. Now the text is inverted. You just change the rotation. Since this video is rotated, that's why text also rotated. Perfect. So like this, we can add the text. Now in case you want to add the stroke to this text, I'll show you how it is. That's why I moved this to the top layer. Simply press the Alt button and duplicate this layer. Select that layer. Again, go to the text panel, disable the fill option here, enable the stroke. Since it is inverted, we need to change it one more time. So now the stroke for the text is done. Click on the text. Even if you want, you can choose the solid color or gradient color as you like. So if I play the video, this is how it looks like. If in case you want simple animation, you can also do that. Select the text layer, enable the keyframe for the scaling, select the first point and end point like this. Select the vector motion, copy it and paste for this as well. So here is the final output. That's it guys. This is how you can add video into the text. Not only that, even you can add the stroke and even you can animate like this. Also check whether you subscribe to this channel or not. I keep on posting these type of tips and tricks videos and also YouTube related content too. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.